decorative lamp. It is also called as lava lamp. We are using here baking soda, oil, vinegar, food color and torchlight to prepare it. When baking soda reacts with vinegar, it produces carbon dioxide gas. So it will make the bubble in oil. Oil particles scattering the light and it will glow more. We are using food color to make the light to our favorite color. When we want to share information to others without knowing any by process. We use baking soda, turmeric and sanitizer. We have to write something on the paper. By using the mixture of baking soda and water. Let it dry. We cannot see anything on the paper. Apply turmeric paste on the paper, then it is visible. Turmeric working as indicator, it will turn base to red color. Thanks. My name is M. Kamesi. I am studying similar class A section. Today I would like to explain about types of pollution. Air pollution. In air pollution, in factories some chemicals and smoke mix with air and it will become dirty. The main reason for that are factories, chemicals and burning of garbage. Next, I would like to tell about water pollution. In water pollution, we will dump garbage and trash in the water and it will become dirty and it will be harmful for fishes and aquatic life what will live in the water and people who will use that water. And land pollution. In land pollution, we will throw some trash in the land and it will be unfertile and reduce its fertility and we can't grow crops there. Next, noise pollution. In noise pollution, about loudspeakers and traffic machines will produce so much sound and it is difficult to hear any sound. In hospitals, so many patients are there, it is disturbed for them. Thank you.
Super.
My name is S. Akshara. I am studying 8th standard at the St. Joseph English Medium High School in Natspeed branch. Now I am explaining about the experiment of complete combustion. The complete combustion is used in alcohol based on sanitizer. It is colorless and pale blue flame. Now I will give the example of complete combustion. It was invisible in daylight.
Purified water. Purified water separate water after sedimentation without describing and particles. Insoluble heavy particles allow to settle down by using the molecules of water by using filtration, fusion and filter paper. Today my topic is lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse can occur when the sun, earth and moon are in a straight line with the earth
in between the sun and moon. This is called total lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse can occur only on a full moon day. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Reshi. I am studying 6th class A section in St. Joseph English Medium High School. I am a part of my school. Today I want to talk about water cycle.
I am from class 7. Today our project is water recycling. I am studying 7th class in St. Joseph English Medium High School. My report today I want to tell about global warming. Global warming makes the earth hotter. Cutting trees also makes dust. Ice on mountains melts because of global warming. We can help by planting more trees. Greenhouse gases are responsible for global warming. It affects the climate as well as the environment. Human activities are also responsible for global warming. To stop global warming, plant more trees, save electricity and reduce the use of global warming. My name is P. Rashida. I am studying 7th class section from Mansfield Branch in St. Joseph's English Medium High School. Today I would like to speak about day and night photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis is process by which certain plants use sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to create oxygen and energy in the form of sugar. The plants makes use of sunlight and water nourishment to other organisms and textiles. The light energy is used to split water, hydrogen and carbon dioxide.
I would like to tell about deforestation and afforestation. Afforestation is the process of establishment of forest. It is afforestation used to like this. Afforestation brings about climatic change. Afforestation allows people to plant a tree and spices in demand. My name is Sarthak.